Show of product. Packing of product. Control of app. Open Wi-Fi and then search hotspot with code WLED app. It will pop up net page. Search Wi-Fi. You should choose Wi-Fi which need to be connected and then enter password. Click button of Save. Mobile phone network connection should be same as web page Wi-Fi. Open WLED app, then click plus to find out light. Click the light that you find out. Adjust 3 color red, green, blue. Maybe you will find that color is wrong. Firstly, click Config, then click Preferences of LED. You should set the type of strip light, color order and IC quality of lamp beads. Setting of microphone function. Open Setting and then click Use Mode Setup. Please input 26, 5, 21, then click Save. Short press the button of Restart in order to make the product power and power off once. Click Info to light up this icon. The function of microphone setting is completed, then you can use it. External switch button of push. You can see a button 0 GPIO wiring, then choose 33. Short press to turn on off. Long press for 1 second to switch color. Connect with WLED remote control. Open Config and then click Wi-Fi Setup. You should tick a box of Enable Remote. Please press any button of remote control. You need to open the Wi-Fi setup again, then input last seen characters in red box. Please choose a dynamic pattern, click Preset to save scene. The serial number 1 corresponds to Remote Control S button S1. Remote Control can resolve 4 scenes at most.